Hello everyone, welcome to part 8 of jQuery series, and we are going to see jQuery effects once again. Okay, so in this video we are going to work on sliding effects. Okay, so sliding effects are divided into three parts: slide down, slide up, and slide toggle. Okay, so one by one we are going to see all these three effects. Okay, so what are sliding effects actually? So sliding effects slides the HTML elements in a web page. Like HTML elements may go up, may go down, or see slide toggle as well. See, one time slide down element will play, and another time slide up means next time slide up, then again slide down, then slide up. Okay, so I am going to explain you in this video all these with examples. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we are going to do slide down. Okay, so what is slide down exactly? So in with slide down method, HTML elements appear into the web page with slide down effect. Okay, so I'm going to explain you with the help of example, otherwise it is bit tough to understand. Okay, so I'm going to explain you with the example. So this time I'm going to save the file with jQuery 8. Okay, so last time it is 7e, so I'm going to now jQuery 8. I'm going to make it jQuery 8a. Okay, so like this. So last time we have done this one. Okay, so now I am going to make some changes. I am going to add here display none. See, our first one is slide down. So slide down elements not appear initially, they appear only when you will click on the button. Okay, then only they will appear. Okay, so that's why we will add display none for all these initially. Here I will add click to slide down, click to slide down test, and this one I am going to add over it. Okay, so now here click function, and here I am going to use slide down. Okay, so syntax of slide down is same like we have done earlier. You can see the syntax is speed and callback. Okay, speed, we already know that with speed that is slow, means that effect is slow. We can make it fast, effect is fast, or we can give in that 1 2 3 4 up till 2. Okay, like we have done in the last few videos. See 0.9 no, not this one, this is the opacity. I will open that speed that we have done. I'm going to check up till which we can give the speed. So here also I think it is mentioned here. Okay, I'm going to check where is our jQuery. Here it is. So I'm going to open these files here. So see here, fade in, this is the speed. Okay, so fade in, fade out, fade toggle, this is the speed that we are talking. So this is the opacity. Okay, so see, this is calculated in milliseconds. Okay, speed is calculated in milliseconds, and if you will check the that video, I will show you. It is in part 7 maybe, and see, here I will show you speed. See, the optional speed parameter specifies the duration of the effect. Okay, it can take the following values: slow, fast, or milliseconds. Okay, so milliseconds, so it's in milliseconds. So you can calculate 2000 milliseconds 2 seconds to better understand the concept. And now see 2 seconds. Okay, so here 2000 means 2 seconds, 10,000 means 10 seconds, 20,000 means 20 seconds. Okay, see here, if I will copy 20 seconds here, it is 20 seconds. So speed is calculated in milliseconds. Okay, so we will give milliseconds. Now I hope that this is clear to you. So that's why I have I have done like this, so that it's get clear to you. So we are calculating this slide down, slide up, and slide toggle. Syntax will remain the same, and speed we will calculate in milliseconds. And here we can mention slow, fast, or even the speed in milliseconds. Okay, and the another one is the callback function. If you want to call any function, then we can use this. Okay, and in next video I will show you that how we can call back the function in these effects. Okay, in this video we will cover it. So now I am going to show you the example, like I am telling you that here we can close all these files. I will give you all these files so that you can also experiment at your end. Okay, so now see here, now we are working on slide down, and I will remove these are not required objective that we have done in the last video. So with this slow effect, and now we can check. I will refresh. Sorry, this is the 8A. So now I'm going to click on this one and check, just check, see the animation. So the effect, the slide down effect, you can see, click to slide down of test. Now you can see the HTML elements are coming into the web page with slide down effect. Okay, so this is the slide down effect that I am telling you. Okay, so I hope that this is clear to you. See here, welcome to jQuery, welcome to jQuery, welcome to jQuery. See with this slide down effect. Okay, see it is slowly slide down and appearing in the page. So now we are going to work on the slide up effect. So in the case of slide up effect, the HTML elements first will appear like this, then it will go away. Means the HTML elements will go away from the web page with slide up effect. Like all these will move up little bit, move up, and will go away from the HTML page. Means they will get disappear. Okay, so that is the slide up effect. Okay, so slide up effect, with jQuery slide up effect method, HTML element disappear from the web page with slide up effect. Okay, so here syntax is also remains speed and callback. Speed we know that we measure in milliseconds, and callback we use if we want to call any function after this effect, then we can use the callback. We can call this function here. Okay, so we can try slide up effect as well. Okay, so let's see. I am going to save this one to jQuery 8B like this. Okay, so here I am going to see slide up effect, and this one will remain same, and here I am going to change slide up. Okay, so here first of all I am going to check it out. See here the effect, you can check it out. See, slide down, and I am going to write here slide up, and see here slide up. Which ones? See, I want to see what is the difference. See here the elements are not coming, and here the elements are coming. Okay, so we must see here I will write B. Okay, here I have written 8. Okay, so this is the slide down test. Okay, and this is the slide up test. See, slide up test, yeah, now it is fine. So this one I need to remove. See, HTML elements appear in slide up effect. Okay, now you can see slide down test. See, in slide down test, HTML elements will come into the page with slide down effect. See, here you can see there is no HTML elements currently, but these elements will come into the page with slide down effect if we click on slide down test button. See here. Okay, so now it appears when we click on slide down test button. Okay, now you can see this slide up effect. In slide up effect, HTML elements are already there in page and they will go away if we will click on slide up test with this slide up effect. Okay, you can see they are going away from the page with the slide up effect. They are moving upwards, but in slide down they are moving towards bottom with the slide down effect and appearing into the HTML page here. Okay, but with slide up they are going away from the HTML page with this slide up effect. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you. You can also try at your end. Now we will work on slide toggle effect like we have done earlier with the fade, with height show. Okay, now with the same purpose. Now see, toggle means it's the swapping. Okay, it's kind of the swapping of the HTML element. Okay, one time it will work as up and one time it will work as the down. Okay, like this. Okay, so see here, if we I'm going to show you with example, and see, toggle actually, see here, slide toggle. So toggle method, with toggle method, HTML elements one time appears and one time disappears from the web page. Okay, so let's try this one, and we can now make it file save as jQuery 8c. Okay, now let's see jQuery 8c, and now here I will write click to toggle, click to toggle text, click to toggle, only click to toggle. Okay, so here I will mention it like this, and here I will change slide toggle. Fine, now I can try this one. I will now open in new page once again. In place of this one I can open 8c. Okay, so HTML elements are first appearing, and now I am going to check. See, click to toggle. See, they are going away, means which element is working. See, which element is working. It is similar to which one? See here, it is similar to slide up. Okay, you can see which element is working first time. Slide up is working because HTML elements are going towards upward direction. Okay, so they are also moving away from the HTML page. So slide up is working. Okay, so see, a slide up is working. If next time without refresh I will click on this one, then the HTML elements must come back. See here, see, one time the same button, one time working as this slide up and one time working as this slide down. Okay, so see here, one time up, one time down, one time up, one time down. So slide toggle effect used if you want to sometimes bring the HTML element with slide up effect, and sometimes you want to bring you want to take the HTML element away and you want to bring back the HTML element back with the slide up and slide down effects. Okay, so this is the purpose of slide toggle effect that you can try at your end. So in next video we are going to work on that animation effects. We are going to see animation effects, height, delay and all other effects, okay, that we are going to do in next video, and I will upload all very soon to Git, and so that you will get these code as well. Okay, so stay tuned for that, stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.